Hey, what's up, traders? Wanted to go over a stock that went up a lot yesterday. It's Sigma Labs, SGLB. If we look at the daily chart, we see it was oversold with the market. Yesterday had good news. We'll check out what the news is. Okay, they got an agreement with Lockheed Martin. All right, so let's go back to the charts. So let's look at the 5-day chart. So we see all the volume came in the morning. They must have announced in the morning about that deal. So let's look at the 1-day chart. So I had a slight gap up. Let's see, 490, and then it went as high as about almost $10. So if we look at the option, looking at the 750 call, just trading it yesterday because it would have been impossible to get it the day before unless you knew of the news. So yesterday's low was $13. The high was $3.50. So that's around 25.92%. 2,592%, which is about 26 times your money. But even half of that, 1,300, would have been a great trade. So if you could have gotten 50, so the 300 would have been awesome. So let me know if you find anything else or if you traded this one. Have a good day.